How to block websites on Chrome Android. Hey everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Chrome browser on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. Head towards three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now select Settings from the menu bar. Now scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Site Settings. From the section, you need to scroll down and locate JavaScript options. Tap on it. Now select Add Site Exceptions and simply you have to enter the web address. Then you can tap on the Now you need to tap on Add button in order to block JavaScript for a specific site. And simply the site will be blocked. You can try accessing the blocked website, for example, to YouTube, then you will see it won't load no matter how many times you try. And that's it, you have successfully blocked a website on Chrome for Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.